welcome back to DiaBeautyBlossoms. I hope you all are doing great, and today I am here with a review, and today I'll be reviewing the product from VARSHAVAN. This is a face cleanser and mask, and this is hand pounded pink rose and chickpea cleanser and mask, and this is how the box is. Brand of Saint Pure, and I got this in one of my Revieweing subscription boxes, and this is how the packaging is. It comes in this beautiful plastic tub, and you have this beautiful picturization here, and it comes with this golden cap which makes it look more luxurious. And the forest essential Uktans also come in similar packaging, but this is a little more creative and it's little more beautiful. And when I open this product, I have this lid, and when I open this, it actually secures because it's a powder based cleanser. And when I open it, you can see this is how the powder looks like. It comes in this rose pink color. It's really nice and it smells really nice and awesome too. And all the information for this product comes in this. So the only downside I feel is if you miss this one, you would not really know the expiry date of the product. So you have everything written here. On this I don't feel anything, but if this brand somehow watches this, or Revieweing team or anybody from the VARSHAVAN brand, someone watches this video, I'm sure they might not, but still if someone watches this, I would really recommend them to have at least the expiry date and how to use this in the label here, at least the expiry date, because sometimes you happen to get this, but you forget, you throw it away or miss it, and you don't even know when is it expiring, because these are natural products, 100% natural. The natural products have very less shelf life compared to the chemical products, so you have to be very sure. So what I do is I actually save all this in one of my boxes just to make sure. Every now and then I check my box just to make sure it's not expired. Or you can do one thing, you can just write it down here if you want to know. But so coming back to the information, so this comes, you have this beautiful card which says VARSHAVAN, the Indian rainforest, and along with this I also have this info card, and this is retailed at 990 rupees. Coming to the ingredients, it has rice powder, mangista powder, turmeric powder, juniper berry extracts, gram flour, Indian rose essential oil and extracts. And it also says about what this actually mask is. So it says this is a must have for all skin types. Those with dry skin may use it with the concoction with oily olive oil, and those with combination oil and normal skin may reap benefits as it is. So it actually helps to brighten the skin in making it a little fairer to the your skin tone. I really don't believe in fairing concept or whitening concept, but I do believe in brightening. And it also helps to reveal blemish free skin, to remove the blemishes what you have on skin. And it also says it doesn't have any chemicals, and it is actually naturally made. So it is 100% cruelty free, 100% handmade, 100% natural, 100% vegan, and 100% vegetarian. So if you are someone vegan, you can definitely use this product without any doubt. And the shelf life of this product is 2 years. You can use it as a face cleanser and mask. So I'll tell you how to use it. And coming to the fragrance, it smells like rose and chickpea. The texture is very smooth. It's so smooth. It has little granules. When you use it on your face, face wash, you actually can feel it works as little scrub, because it has rice flour in it. So I take a little bit on the bowl and then add rose water and then mix it well, and then I apply it all over my face and use it as a face wash. And if I have to use it as a face mask, I actually have to mix it either with rose water or normal water, and you can apply it with a brush and leave it for 10 minutes and then rinse off. Now I have cleansed my face, removed the makeup, cleansed my face very well. Use a little copper bowl, so I'll take a little bit of this. Taken this much in this bowl, and I'll be using this Inveda's rose water to make it as a thick paste. Make sure you don't make very loose paste, because it will be dripping all over your face. It smells so nice. It smells like it smells like when you're mixing the basin for your mirchi or something. Yeah, I smell that. It's so nice. The smell of gram flour very prominently. I have made a thick paste, and what I'll do is you can either use a brush to apply it all over evenly as a mask, but I will use my fingers. That way I feel very good. So I'll apply it all over my face. The best thing out of this mask is I've used many other face masks which actually dries down. If it's especially it has basin or rice flour, it dries down quickly, but this does not. It actually takes a little longer time to dry down. That way it proves it's naturally good. And this is how I apply it. I wait for 10 minutes and I cleanse off. I'll show you how my skin looks after this. You can see I have washed my face after 10 minutes. Like, you know, it's very nice. I feel very plumping, good. My skin feels like I'm breathing now. Coming to my review on this product, I really like this product. The first fact is it's very natural. It's 100% handmade, cruelty free, no chemicals at all, no parabens, so I don't have to worry about using this any time of the day. And it's really nice. The only thing is when I apply it on my face, I feel the basin smell is too much. I sometimes feel a little bit not good, but that doesn't last much. I just keep it for 10 minutes, so it's fine. And the impact it does is it actually gives a immediate cooling sensation to my skin. It really cools and soothes my skin, and it's really nice. You know, I don't have a blemish or I don't have blemishes, so I cannot tell how effectively it works on blemish skin. My sister has little acne. For her it actually had helped to reduce the acne, like dry out the acne. If you have the acne, the fresh acne, if you mix the paste and then put it over there, it actually reduces the acne effect. So I really like it that way. Coming to the brightening part, yes, it really does a brightening effect as soon as you use. The only downside is it's really expensive and it's not affordable. I think it comes only in this size. But if you want to use products from these brands, you can always subscribe to subscription boxes, especially Revieweing box, who actually give you more offer and you get good products in affordable range. So I really like this. So I'll sum up with the pros and cons, and then you can decide if you like this product or not, or if you want to go with it or not. So the first pro I feel is it's natural, handmade, chemical free, no parabens, no mineral oils, and also it has all the natural and cold press ingredients in it. And it also makes my skin good, brightening. It forms a good face cleanser. It's organic, so I really like this. It gives a good impact because especially it's also good for oily skin, normal skin, combination skin. Being organic, it's really suitable for all type of skin. And these are all the pros I have 9 pros. And coming to the cons, it's little expensive. Second thing, it does not have expiry date mentioned anywhere on the tub apart from this card. If you lose this card, you're done. And the third thing is, it does not come with a spatula, so you have to use your own spatula if you don't have one. And I have only these 3 cons. Apart from that, I really feel this is a very useful product. And thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, you know what you have to do. You have to hit that like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also please comment down below if you want me to review any certain product. I'll be happy to use it and review it. Thanks all. Have a great day.